Student, today I am with you. I am MD Mehdi Hassan. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today I am going to take a class for class 10 English second paper grammar part. Dear student, look at the picture. I see here this goat is braver than most other goats. Then another sentence, very few goats are as brave as this goat. So dear student, what do you understand from this sentence? Dear student, you understand right. Understanding is right. Our today's topic is transformation of sentence positive to comparative. Okay, now dear student, our today's learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to identify the structure of changing positive into comparative, change positive into comparative. Dear student, at first picture, we see that no other football match is as good as this. Here, it is a positive sentence. Now, we make it comparative. This is better than any other football match. Now question, how change it? How to change positive, no other to comparative. তো আমরা এখানে দেখব যে নো আদার যুক্ত পজিটিভকে কিভাবে কম্পারেটিভে চেঞ্জ করতে হয়। অ্যাট ফার্স্ট সাবজেক্ট প্লাস ভার্ব প্লাস কম্পারেটিভ ফর্ম অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ প্লাস দেন এনি আদার প্লাস নাউন ওয়ার্ড আফটার নো আদার। তার মানে নো আদারের পরে যে ওয়ার্ডটি থাকে। সুতরাং আমরা কি করতে হবে, পজিটিভ থেকে কম্পারেটিভ করতে হলে ফার্স্ট সাবজেক্ট আনতে হবে, তারপরে ভার্ব, অ্যাডজেক্টিভের কম্পারেটিভ ফর্ম আনতে হবে, দেন এনি আদার আনতে হবে। এরপরে যে নো আদার থেকে থাকবে, নো আদারের পরের যে নাউন থাকবে ওই নাউন থেকে পূর্ববর্তী ভার্ব পর্যন্ত বসবে। সো অ্যান এক্সাম্পল, নো আদার কান্ট্রি ইজ অ্যাজ নাইস অ্যাজ বাংলাদেশ। মেক ইট comparative. Here subject Bangladesh, here subject Bangladesh, then use verb is, Bangladesh is nice, is nicer than any other country. Okay. Second one, no other creature is as so slow as the tortoise. Here you can do it comparative. Tortoise is slower than any other creature. The tortoise is slower than any other creature. In this way you make it comparative. No other scenery is as beautiful as this. How you can do it? Comparative. You can do it in this way. This is more beautiful than any other scenery. Okay? Class activities. Dear student, now you stay at home, so write down it and do it at your home. First, no other gift is as fine as this. Make it comparative. This is finer than any other gift. Second one, no other man is as wise as he. Do it in this way, comparative. He is wiser than any other man. Third one, no other student is as me as he. You can do it in this way, comparative. He is nearer than any other student. Fourth one, no other person is as wealthy as he. You can do this in this way. He is wealthy, more wealthy than any other person. Fifth one, no other wood burns so pretty as the apple log. You can do this in this way. The apple log burns prettier than any other wood. How to change positive very few to comparative? If you find the very few beginning of the sentence, how to change it comparative? Now here, structure subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then mustadar plus noun word after the very few. তোমাকে কি করতে হবে, শেষে যে সাবজেক্টটি থাকে সেটি প্রথমে আনতে হবে, এরপরে ভার্ব হবে, ভার্বের পরে কম্পারেটিভ। হ্যাঁ, যে স্টুডেন্ট এখানে ভেরি ফিউর পরে আমরা প্লুরাল ভার্ব পাবো, সেটা সাবজেক্ট অনুযায়ী সিঙ্গুলার হবে বা প্লুরাল হবে। তারপরে আমরা কম্পারেটিভ ফর্ম বসাবো, দেন মুস্তাদার বসাবো ভেরি ফিউর পরিবর্তে, এবং ভেরি ফিউর পর যে নাউনটি থাকবে ভার্বের পূর্ব পর্যন্ত সেটি লিখব। যেমন here example, very few countries are as nice as Bangladesh. So you can do it. Very few. Bangladesh is nicer than most other countries. Okay. Another example, very few fishes are as big as this. You can do this in this way. This is bigger than most other fishes. This is bigger than most other fishes. Another example, very few sheep are as large as this. You can do this in this way, comparative. This is larger than most other sheep. This is larger than most other sheep. The student class activities, you write down it on your diary. Very few books are as bright as, very few boys are as bright as he. You can do this in this way. He is brighter than most other boys. Second one, very few kings of India were as great as Akbar. Make it comparative in this way. Akbar was greater than most other kings of India. In this way, you do other three sentences at your home. Now, dear student, another rules. The lion is as big as the tiger. Here is big as. Here we don't find no other or very few. যদি no other এবং very few না থাকে, in this case, how we change it as positive to comparative. So the rules, dear student, here the tiger is not bigger than the lion. তো আমাদের কি করতে হবে, শেষের যে সাবজেক্টটি আছে সেই সাবজেক্টকে প্রথমে আনতে হবে, এরপরে ভার্ব বসবে, ভার্বের পরে যদি নট না থাকে, নেগেটিভ না থাকে সেন্টেন্সটি, এটাকে নেগেটিভ করতে হবে, অ্যাডজেক্টিভের কম্পারেটিভ করতে হবে, দেন বসবে, এরপরে প্রথম সাবজেক্টটি বসবে। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, হাউ টু চেঞ্জ পজিটিভ উই ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড। সাবজেক্ট প্লাস ভার্ব উইথ নট, কম্পারেটিভ ফর্ম অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, দেন প্লাস সাবজেক্ট word before verb. As like the example, a Siddiq is as tall as Shafiq. You can do this in this way. Shafiq is not taller than Siddiq. Here another example, the dove is as attractive as the pigeon. You can do this in this way. The pigeon is not more attractive than the dove. Class activities, change the sentence into comparative. Dear student, he is as meritorious as Rohim. You can do this in this way. Rohim is not more meritorious than he. In this way you do another 4 sentence at your home. Now dear student, do this at home. Change the sentence into comparative. Here another 5-6 sentences you write down on your diary and make it comparative. May you live in peace. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.